Good evening everybody. This is Harpreet as a maths teacher. Dear students, I hope you all are good and fine and completed the previous on work as we have started the chapter number 6 of class 10th maths. Chapter number 6 we are discussing about the criteria of the similarity. Today we will start the question related to the same topic. Firstly we will do recapitulation of the criteria of the similarity. There we have discussed three criteria. One is the angle criteria, second one is side criteria, and third one is side criteria. In this one, if the two triangle having all angles are equal, then we can say the triangles are similar. In this one we have to say that if the sides are into the same proportion, all sides, then we can say the triangles are similar. In this one we have to say that if the two sides are into the same proportion and included angle is equal, then we can say the triangles are similar to each other. So by using these criteria, we will discuss about some question related to the exercise 6.3. So let us start now. Okay dear students, I have written a one question from the exercise 6.3. Fifth question is there, as it is given that S and T are the points on the sides PR and QR of the triangle PQR. So firstly we will draw the diagram as the given situation. Here it is given in the PQR triangle. S and T are the points on the PR. S point is here on the PR and on the QR there is a point T, such that angle P is equal to angle RTS. So this implies it is joined. So these two angles are equal to each other. They are saying show that triangle RPQ is similar to the triangle RTS. If we have to show that this small triangle is similar to the bigger one triangle, then we will write here. Firstly, we have to write here into the given part. In triangle PQR, S and T are the points on PR and QR respectively. This thing is given, then such that the condition is angle P is equal to angle RTS. Then to prove, what we have to prove, triangle RPQ is similar to the triangle RTS. Now into the proof we can see into the both triangles in RPQ and triangle RTS. In both triangles we can see R angle is the common angle, so we will write here as a reason angle R is equal to angle R as common angle. Then next condition it is given that in this triangle angle P, into this one triangle it is given RTS. These two angles are given to us, these are equal. Then I told you already, if the two angles are equal to the another triangle, then this implies the third angle is obviously that will be equal by the angle sum property. Then we can write here by angle criteria triangle RPQ is similar to the triangle RTS. This is done. Okay. Now let us see one more question from this one same exercise. If we will see into the question number 6 now. Into the sixth question it is given that, question number 6, same exercise. Here we have given triangle ABC and the 2 points DE on the AB and AC respectively, BE and CD, these are joined to each other, such that what is given to us? It is given that here triangle ABE is congruent to the triangle ACD. ABE, this one triangle is congruent to the another one triangle like as this. Then to prove, we have to prove that triangle ADE is similar to the triangle ABC full. Smaller one triangle is similar to the full triangle. How can we show that? Here we can see into the proof as it is given as triangle ABE. It is the congruent sign. Congruent mean to say lengthwise also equal. So we can write here the part of ABE triangle as AB is equal to, it is AC. This is part as corresponding by CPCT we can write corresponding part of congruent triangle. Similarly, here will be the AE is equal to AD. AE of this part and AD of this part because of the CPCT we can say. Then this is the first equation and this is the second one equation. By these two equations we can say here as this one. If I will take the AD upon AB by what we are dividing, divide the 2 by first equation. AD upon AB we are taking, and then here will be AE upon AC. These two sides ratio will be equal, right? This means AD upon full side and AE upon full side, and included angle both of them as angle A. Ratios are equal and angle A is equal to angle A, common side. So which criteria we have used? By side, two sides ratio and one angle. So which is included angle. So side angle side criteria, we can say triangles ADE, which we have to prove that similar to the triangle ABC, and this is hence proved. Okay. Now let us move for the another one question. Here I have written already as 9th question. It is given that ABC and AMP are the two triangles. Into the question already we have given the diagram. Here it is the two triangles. Let me draw these one triangles here. Here it is given the two triangles. One is, here is an ABC such that angle B is 90 degree, and then they are saying AMP are the two right angle triangles. Then here is another one point like as this M. Here will be the 90 degree as P point. Then they are saying that these two triangles are right angle at the angle B and angle M respectively. Prove that triangle ABC and triangle AMP, these are similar to each other. From the starting of the proof I am writing now, given and to prove by write yourself. If we will see into the both triangle, both angles are, angle B is equal to angle M. Then here we will write in triangle ABC and triangle AMP, angle B is equal to angle M. Each of them is 90 degree, right? And we can see here angle A is the common part between them. Then we will write here angle A is equal to angle A, common angle. Then we will write here two angles we already shown. So by angle criteria, we can say both the triangles are ABC is similar to the AMP. Fine. So first part we have proved now. Now to prove the second part, it is says that we have to show that the ratio of these two parts are equal. If we will see, we have used the criteria angle, then this implies we can write here these two triangles are similar, then the corresponding part we will take. Here will be AB correspond to the AM upon. These ratios will be equal. So here will be BC we are taking. So BC upon it will be MP is equal to, then AC upon here will be AP. These three parts will be equal as a triangles are similar. Triangles are similar, so that's why we can use these three parts ratios are equal. Now what we have to prove? Look at on the part. Here is a CA upon PA. We can see this is the part of that one. Then BC upon MP. BC upon MP. So these two parts we have to show these are equal. Then we can say these two parts are equal. So this implies here we will write CA upon PA is equal to BC upon MP. So these parts are equal to each other because of the triangles are similar to each other. So this one question is done. Let us do the more question now. Let us start now the another one question. Here I have written A vertical pole of the length 6 meter cast a shadow 4 meter long on the ground. So here if we will draw the diagram as the given condition, suppose here is a vertical pole, let it is AB. Obviously with the ground it makes as a 90-degree angle, and then it's cast shadow cast for the 4 meter. So here is a 4 meter as a shadow and 6 meter pole, and like as this it will be there. And then they are saying that at the same time a tower cast a shadow 28 meter long. Obviously if shadow is longer, then this implies the tower length is also longer. So a tower cast a tower, this one is tower, suppose it is the DE and EF is a shadow, it makes as a 28 meter long shadow. Now they are saying find out the height of the tower, mean to say this thing DE, we have to find out how much length of the DE. As we can see, these two triangles are of the same shape, and if we will prove that these two triangles are similar to each other, this implies their ratio will be equal. Then by ratio we can find out the DE value. How can we show that these two triangles are similar? One angle as angle E is equal to angle B as 90 degree, because both things will be stand on the ground as a 90 degree angle, and they are saying at the same time. This implies the angle from the sun, it will be equal to each other. So we can say here angle A is equal to angle D. So by angle criteria, these two triangles are similar to each other. Let us show the solution of it. So here is a solution of the question. In triangle ABC and triangle DEF, we can write here angle B is equal to angle E, each 90 degree, and then we will write here angle A is equal to angle D. Here will be the angular elevation of the sun at same time. Then the angle will be equal to each other. So we can write by angle criteria, triangle ABC is similar, correspond to A it is D point, B to E, and there will be the F. So these two parts are equal. Then we will write here correspond to the AB upon, there will be DE upon. Now what part is given? BC. It is BC, then it's upon, here will be EF. These two parts are equal. Now AB it is given 6 meter and DE we have to find out, which is the height of the tower, is equal to BC it is given 4 and EF it is shadow of the tower, that is 28. By cross multiply, 4 multiplied by H is equal to 6 multiplied by 28. Then we can find out H is equal to 6 into 28 upon, it will be 4. Then 4 here 7. So H we can write here 42 meters. So on the last we can write into this one diagram as DE, that is the height of the tower, which we find out that is 42 meter. Okay students, by this you can see here as some question we have completed of the exercise 6.3. If you have any query, then in the Zoom session you can ask me. Okay, thank you and have a nice day.